Today I'm gonna cook Chinese style speedy beef ramen noodles. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The only things I know how to cook is chicken nuggets, rice, sandwiches, eggs. So let's just see how we do. Okay, so we're gonna need the red cabbage and carrot mix, ground beef, pork ramen stock concentrate, sesame seeds, chili flakes, ramen noodles, of course, sweet soy glaze, garlic, and scallions. There we go. Scallions. Alright, let's get into it. Bring a large, hold on, y'all. Alright, now we're ready. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Wash and dry produce. Trim scallions and cut whites into 1-inch pieces. Thinly sliced greens. Peel and mince or grate garlic. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, cook beef and veggies. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large, preferable non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add beef. Using a spatula, press into an even layer. Season with a big pinch of salt and pepper. Cook undistributed until brown on bottom, 2 to 4 minutes. If there's excess grease in your pan, carefully pour it out. It's a tip, okay? Add cabbage and carrot mix and scallion whites. Cook, stirring occasionally and breaking up meat into pieces until veggies are brown and tender and beef is cooked through 2 to 4 minutes more. Stir and stop concentrate sweet soy glaze and 1/4 cup of water. I'm gonna just put half a cup of water because we got people to feed, we got mouths to feed, you feel me? Bring to a simmer, cook until thickened. 1 minute, turn off heat. Okay, now we on to step 3. Step 3! Once water is boiling, add noodles to pot. Cook, stirring frequently until tender. 1 to 2 minutes. Drain and rinse thoroughly under cold water, at least 30 seconds. Step 4! Make garlic chili oil. While noodles cook in a small microwave safe bowl, combine garlic, sesame seeds, half the chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of oil, and a pinch of salt. All the chili flakes in 2 tablespoons of oil for 4 servings. We're gonna do that one instead. Use fewer chili flakes if you prefer less heat. Cover tightly with plastic wrap. Microwave until fragrant 30 seconds. Number 5. Transfer drained noodles to pan with beef mixture. Toss until thoroughly coated. Taste and season with salt and pepper if desired. Okay. Number 6. Divide beef ramen noodles between bowls. Drizzle with garlic chili oil and sprinkle with scallion greens. Serve. Okay. There's actually 7 in here, so you gotta 7. Clean up. Clean up. What you doing? You got clean up your stove, your plates, your plate that you ate in. Clean up the pots, your strainer, your cutting board, your knives. Clean it all. Don't forget. All you gotta do